Hey traders, welcome back to Unstockable Trading. In this video, I want to give you my outlook on the SPX, and there are two things that I see signal a bearish sign. And congratulate those who got into Nvidia and PayPal puts yesterday. Today they were both very red, even though the market tried to go up. So in the SPX, we are trying to attempt to break the 2226, 2230 level. That is the volatility box we have for past October, November, and in December we broke. So right now here is a very strong resistance. Like I said before, if we stay below this box, we're not going to go any higher. Most likely we'll retest a low before we have a break to the upside. But first of all, on the SPY 4-hour chart, the second signal I see, yesterday we printed a handyman, today we printed a red candle. So on a technical basis, this is most likely going to either tank on Thursday or /end tank on Friday. And this is a very nice setup on the, especially the Netflix earning tomorrow in the PM. So with Netflix, I want to talk about this really quick. So for the Netflix, let's look at a 1 year, 1 day chart, and you see where we at Netflix. Zero pullback for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, roughly 2 weeks. So with the Netflix, we kind of filled a gap on the previous, I'll say previous high in October. So where we are right now, it's incredible because it is before earnings and the thing's getting pumped up. So two very likely scenario is that Netflix have a good earning and stock could rally back to 376, 380. Netflix does have a 30 points expected move through earning, which means 30 points up or 30 points down. So right now it closes at 351. If it goes down, be 320. If it goes up, 380. Earning is tomorrow in the PM. So this is a very nice setup to prove that our TA work. It's a technical analysis, printing handyman, and then we close red candle on a 4-hour chart, and Netflix will have a bad earning and it could drive out lower. So this is not something I want to hold through, because it can go both way, and there are many other plays out there such as long PayPal puts, Nvidia puts, AMD puts. Let's jump into our chart really quick. So I want to just look at PayPal. I added more puts today in the AM because I see a steam running out on the MACD, and I see it wants to top out somewhere in the $93 mark, but then it gets rejected with this daily wick candle up here. So this is what I predicted yesterday. So I would love to see tomorrow we print a more red candle and break this uptrend. So most likely in maybe 2 weeks out, we're gonna have a retest to 86 or to 87. So I'm still going to hold my long-term 1 month out PayPal puts. So something you can be looking at if PayPal goes green tomorrow, maybe get a long-term put and expect this to come down. So another thing I want to look at is our Nvidia. I think someone mentioned on the Discord chat, or feel free to join the Discord chat. It's free and we have awesome people there. On the Nvidia, I was thinking this was drawn 2 days ago. Actually, we want to see this to break this trend right here and come back down. It's coming close to touch here, and we should have a reject to. I'll be targeting 145 as low as 140. Why is that? Why am I shorting something that's already down so much? Don't you think it's got to be filled up here? Yes, but there's no There's no positive news on Nvidia. What's the point in driving the chip stock even higher? Besides, it went down to 120 something, 125. Now it's at 148. Already up 20 points. At least, is it still going up? I don't see why. So there's another thing why I want to place my bet against Nvidia. It's that we have a gap to be filled at 100, 110, 115, somewhere like here. So with the chip sector doing so bad in general, and with this deca bounce to the upside, I'm going to see a retest to the downside first. And that is my outlook on Nvidia. Feel free to join our Discord group if you like what I do. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.